Placing your first special order with the Utah DABC is really easy, and to show you just how easy it is, I'm going to walk you through the steps in real time. So we start at the DABC website. Up under products, we go down to special orders. Here's some information about placing special orders you can read later. We're interested in placing one, so we're going to click that button. My login is as a retail customer. I don't know what the process is like for clubs and restaurants, but I assume it's going to be similar. I'm going to click through, and here I enter my login information. I am not a robot. Where are our chimneys? Here, 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 here. They probably say that one is too, I guess. I don't know. Crosswalks. There, 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 there. That's weird. Never seen that before. If you don't have an account, there's a link right here for create account, and I go and log in. So here you end the screen. This is a personalized screen for your account. This is showing me all of my orders that have been started and not completed. So I have a test one down here that I use to just look things up and check pricing and make sure they have things right that way. And I've got two other orders that have been submitted and not fulfilled. There is a checkbox to show your completed orders, but we're not really interested in that today. Up here, create new order is what we're going to do. And we're going to call this one special order practice. You can call it whatever you want. You can either call it the name of the cidery. I like to do mine by the month and the year. Click OK to create. Here, this is the special order screen for that particular order. You can set your delivery location to which store you want it delivered to. In my case, I use store 15, Cottonwood, on Fort Union. And you have three options for adding items to your order. You have special order catalog, which are items already in there in the DABC system. Products you previously ordered, which is pretty self-explanatory. When you click through to it, it's just a drop down. You can pick the item and adding a new item. We'll start with the special order catalog, and you'll get this box here to search for things. You can search by item name. I prefer to search by CSC just because I find that to be a little bit more error proof. So to find that, I'm going to go to our website at ibanticbev.com, and up here where it says price list, I'll click through there, download a PDF of our portfolio. These images will slide. It's hard to get a handle on it sometimes. Oh, evidently it didn't open it. So here we have our portfolio, and for this order I'm going to add grasshopper, which is 910598. Click outside that, and I see it come up in the item name, Colorado Cider Company, grasshopper, 355 ml, which is a 12-ounce can, and a case pack is 24 cans. So let's add one case of that. Add to order. You can see it add in the background back here, but this add box stays up. So let's add something else that's in the portfolio. And for this one, let's do Eve's Rustica, 902517. And it comes up just like we expect, Eve's Cider Rustica, 2018 750 ml bottle, case pack is 12, so we add one of those, and we add the item to the order, and then to get this box to go away, we just hit cancel. And let's walk through how we add a new item. So a new item, we'll go back to the portfolio, and in this case, let's order Raven Oak from Liberty Cider Works. I know that it's not in their system yet. So new product name is Raven Oak. Vendor, distributor, producer. Producer is who we want, so we go with Liberty Cider Works. Oops. And, oh, forgot to check it there, but it is a 500 milliliter bottle. And we just want one case of that. Add the item to the order, and we'll hit cancel to close that. This is your order that you're about to submit, and we see here that there's no item number for Raven Oak, which is, we knew that, that's why we added it. So in comments, just to help the DABC out, I'm going to put contact Ibantic Craft Beverages. They have it on file that I represent Liberty, but this just helps them out, makes it a little easier for them. So at this point, we check everything here. So the red submit button's right up here. I'm not going to submit it. I don't need to create any confusion at the DABC. This isn't really going to be an order, but just double check all of this before you hit that red button. Once you've submitted that, this goes to the DABC purchasing department, and they contact me to verify pricing and availability. Once they have those things, they send the order back to you for your approval. Then it's just a matter of waiting anxiously for your cider to arrive. So all of that took me, I don't know what, 5 minutes, 6 minutes. So really pretty quick, especially if you have the information loaded up, like the portfolio here, and have these CSC numbers. Adding a new item, as you saw, was very, very simple. So yeah, that's about all it takes to special order something. If you have any questions about any of this, we're happy to help you through it. As always, until your next cider, whether it's special ordered or otherwise, cheers.